What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube, fam? It's your boy Jaklizzy. I am in Grand Seawell Vacations Hotel in Orlando. I'm gonna give you a quick room tour and property tour. It's actually my second day here, so I have learned the property before I tell you what's here. So I'm gonna give y'all, from what I learned, what's here. It's the kitchen. It's a full kitchen, come with dishes, microwave, oven, refrigerator.
That Mike Lowry's.
You can tell it's our second day because of the stuff here. It's a 3-bedroom connected suite, whatever it's called. This bedroom, it's a 2 queen size beds. Got your own TV. Each bedroom has its own bathroom. So this is their bathroom.
Who is he showing that to?
Nice bathroom. You also get a washing machine and dryer, and the property gives you a complimentary, what's this, detergent and more detergent. So you get complimentary detergent when you first get here. And right here we got the master bedroom suite. This one packed in a lot of punches, but you know, you get your standard closet. Got that.
Yes.
And then the TV, the bed. At least this one, it's kind of soft. So if you don't like soft beds, just be ready for that. And then connected to the bedroom, you got a balcony or porch, whatever you want to call it. And inside of here, you have your own bathroom in the room. So that is a positive if you sleep in the master bedroom. So we got, like I said, second day here. Already set up. Shower, doesn't close. It's not bad at all. And then over here you got a tub. In case you want to like go to the store, get some bath bombs. I don't know what the light is, but there's a light for it. Oh, what's this? There we go. See much better now. Pretty good, isn't it? Then over this way, you got the living room. Let's see. Nice dining room table. The living room, nice size couch. Got 3 of them. You got your whole family in here chilling. Nice size couch. This chair is my personal favorite. It's pretty nice. Sit here, chill, relax, hang out with the family a little bit. I like it. Then this side over here is also connected to the little balcony thing. I'm on the first floor. It's not bad. You can chill out here at night, turn the fan on. It's netted, so you ain't gotta worry about no bugs flying on you, attacking you while you're here. It's pretty nice. Now I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the property. I kind of took a lap by myself just to learn the property so I can give y'all everything I found, what I discovered. I have a map to kind of tell you what's going on, but I'm gonna give y'all a tour now. This right here is our building that we're staying in, the Smith building. So we're gonna leave out of the property, head over here to the first pool, show you the pool. This is a smaller pool, and head out of there, go around.
Worcestershire sauce.
Then over to the tennis court. This is the tennis court right here, and right next to us the basketball court. Looks beautiful over there. Leave out of there, head over here, cut over here, get to the lake. The lake has a pier, walk out, and then the main pool and the other main pool with the waterfall and the hot tub up here in the corner. Then it's the main building where you check in, where you would come into the property right here. This right here, this is the Smith house. Obviously, you got the good house if you got a Smith house. Palm trees and everything. And right here we got a nice grill area. Propane grills it look like. You can have some fun with your family right here. Sir, what are you cooking?
It's actually cleaner than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be nasty.
Oh, they're well kept.
I mean, I would still turn it on and then, you know, use
scrub it down.
things, but yeah.
Well, it's a good place for your family to hang out. And right by the grill is the pool, so you can come. You can come from the grill right to the pool, have a nice night out. Here's our first small pool that I mentioned. Open 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. No lifeguard on duty. It's a nice pool. That's probably gonna be the one I use when we finally go swimming. We done nothing but run around so far. When we make it there, we'll go to that pool. There's another grill area. I'm not sure what building we're by. I don't know the property that well, but they all seem like nice places to chill out. You got a good bit of shade, don't worry about being hot from the grill heat. Good. Now we're getting over to the tennis court. I actually brought some badminton rack and the ball with me so we can play. I might record that in a later video. There's another lizard, but you got a nice tennis court right here.
What are we in here?
Right over by the tennis court, you got the basketball court. Let's see, these are probably adjustable, but this one is, I'm 6 feet tall, and then just grab it. And that one is obviously a lot taller. Come on here and brush up on your skills while you're on vacation. Work never stop. I'm not sure why the battery on my camera is dying so fast, but here's the hot tub. You go down these steps. Over here you got the gym. Can you buzz me in? Decent little gym for you. And over this way, you got the activity center, I believe. Yeah, the activity center. We can get stuff for your kids, run the basketball. And stuff, whatever you need. Activity center right here. Over here next to the activity center, after you drop your kid off, come get a drink. Nice bar area. And over here, we got the second main pool. And over here, you got a kids play area. Got a nephew playing. It's a nice area. Out here at the pier, it's pretty nice. It's a nice alligator over here. There's a turtle right next to it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, there it is. So we just learned that there's a fireplace somewhere, like a fire pit kind of place. I didn't make it on this tour video, but once I find it, I put it in one of my videos. Stay tuned to the videos, like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching.